Hello बच्चों, let us see this question. The question says one requires 11 electron volt of energy to dissociate a carbon monoxide molecule into carbon and oxygen atom. The minimum frequency of the appropriate electromagnetic radiation to achieve the dissociation lies in visible region, infrared region, ultraviolet region, and microwave region. Key concept for this question. Key concept is frequency range of different electromagnetic radiation waves. We know that frequency के according electromagnetic radiation spectrum को divide किया गया है. And also energy required for the dissociation is energy required for dissociation is given by E equal to H nu, where E equal to energy is given that 11 electron volt will be equal to 11 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 and volt, and H is Planck's constant. H will be equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. So putting the values, we will get 11 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into nu is the frequency. We will get nu equal to 2.656 into 10 to the power 15 Hertz. Hence the frequency required for the dissociation is nu equal to 2.656 into 10 to the power 15 Hertz, and this range, the frequency range is lies in the range of ultraviolet region. So the correct answer is option C. Hope you understood it. Best of luck.